Welcome to the Mighty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use a platform to build a website for your scrap metal dealer business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Mighty Sites service, Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally have your own website ready in less than a minute. It's super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, scrap metal dealer, and there it is over there. I'm now going to select that template. Great, let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our scrap metal dealer business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in our company name, as well as our city and our region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. So I'm going to go ahead and change the type of business from restaurants to a service and click on continue. And look at that, Mighty Sites has literally generated a one-page website for my scrap metal business in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you, just as a guideline, of course, and we pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, so they don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone or anything like that. However, if you've got your own images of your scrap metal dealer business and you've got a few amendments to make to the content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web developer to help you with this. So today I'm going to be walking you through the process from the top to the bottom, each section, make my way through so you can see just how simple it is to use the Mighty Sites platform. So let's get cracking. I'm now going to head to update section at the top, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address. I want to click on show email and site, so my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner of my Mighty Sites website. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my phone number as well as my address. My phone number is click to call, by the way, so your customers can easily get in touch with you. And your physical location that you've just popped in is displayed in the top left-hand corner. And the great thing about it is when your customers click on that physical location, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your business. Look at that, really awesome. Let's go ahead and click to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your scrap metal dealer business is active on. There is an option for Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, of course, and the icons will be displayed in the top right-hand corner next to that email address. Let's move along. I'm now going to head over to update logo. Now, if you're in the startup process of your business and you don't have a logo yet, Mighty Sites will literally just display your name and it still looks really great and professional. However, if you do have a logo, go ahead and browse your device and upload one. So let's go ahead and do that. Awesome. Let's go ahead and click save. You can customize it. You can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is absolutely perfect, so I'm leaving it exactly the way it is. Now, with Mighty Sites, we've also pre-selected all the colors for you used throughout the website. However, if your logo, the signage throughout your scrap metal dealer business doesn't quite go with this royal blue, I guess you could say, you can change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color options available to you. So let's check that one out. That looks really great, so I'm going to go ahead and save that and let's move along. Now, as I said, pre-written content, images pre-selected, but we can change it, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. I'm going to hit to update section and hit to update image to change this image over here at the top. If you have your own image, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Multi-sites will automatically search for scrap metal dealer, but you can play around with the terms a little bit and just see what pops up that is suitable for you. So let's try this one and see how well it works. That looks really great. So I'm going to leave that as is and head to update content. Over here, you can change the title and subtitle, which is this text over here to suit your needs. Button currently says get directions. We can change that. Let's change it to get in touch and go ahead and choose link. Now we can link to another website if need be. We can link to another part of our multi-sites website. We can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and put this as click to call. But one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So if you have a PDF file with the different rates that you offer for scrap metal, a catalog, all the different things that you offer, pop it in a PDF file and upload it there. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically download the PDF file that you've just uploaded. Over here, another section with pre-written content button can link to various places. If you want to make some changes, all you need to do is click on this handy update section business button and go through the various options. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your scrap metal business came to be, how long you've been in the industry, maybe a little bit more about the team, the staff that run the show. Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story. Let's move along. Over here, we've got another great spot for a high quality image. If you want to change it to one of your own, go ahead and update the section. Otherwise, choose from that photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, and all completely license free, royalty free. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services your scrap metal dealer offers. So perhaps you sell scrap metal, but you also purchase scrap metal from people like steel, copper, nickel, cast iron, all of those. Do you offer competitive pricing? Is it quick cash payments or do you deposit it via bank transfer? Do you offer dismantling of scrap metal? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know what they can come to you for. We've now made our way into the last section, the Get in Touch lead form. Over here, your customers can submit a message to you, put in their name, their email, their phone number, and their message, and click send. Once they've done that, you will get notified via email you do have a lead via this form. You can also find all your leads over in the client dashboard, which I'll take you to in just a sec. Let's just take one last look at our website for our scrap metal dealer business. We've just gone through it, we made changes, and it hasn't even taken us 10 minutes. It was such a breeze. I didn't need to know any coding. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link and give it a go. I'm now going to head to the top and I'm going to stop editing just to show you where those forms go from the lead form when customers have submitted it. You can find it over in the lead section over here. If you have a custom domain, you can go ahead and connect it over here. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over at www.multisites.com, as well as some tips and advice for marketing your small business, so check it out. There's also a YouTube tutorial available over at our YouTube channel on how to link your custom domain. Now, if you don't have a custom domain yet, I'm really excited to let you know you can now purchase your domain through MultiSite. Really exciting. We've just introduced the feature to make the process as simple as possible when it comes to launching a website for your small business. I'm really wishing you and your business success. I hope that tutorial is helpful. And if you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future on the MultiSites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so more people can hear about the MultiSites service.